Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutology. In the last video, we created a student marks table with 100 students, 5 subjects and their total average remarks and grades. In today's video, we will learn some very powerful Excel function ifs and or, and also how to combine them together for advanced condition. So let's get started. In the last video, we used nested if to create grade column. Today, we use only one formula to help with the ifs function. Suppose we want 90 or above A plus, 75 or above A, 60 or above B, 50 or above C and below 50 is fail. That time we are use the ifs function to assign grades. It's more useful and time friendly to do the work quickly. First we are type is equal to, then ifs, then put all the formula in one bracket. So Excel will assign grades automatically based on each student's average. After flash fill, you can see all the grades of each student. Now let's see the AND function. AND checks if all conditions are true. Example, we want the remark excellent if average is more than 80 and the student score more than 50 in all subjects. Here first we can choose the if function and then put the AND function, then select the average marks is greater than 80. After that we select the mean function. Here we can choose all the 5 subjects: maths, science, English, history and computer. After that close bracket and greater than 50. If both conditions are true, the remark will show excellent, otherwise it will stay blank. You can see where the both condition is fulfilled, where the Excel show excellent and otherwise the cell will be blank. After that I use the conditional formatting to highlight the excellent. It's help to better understand. Next let's use the OR function. OR checks if at least one condition is true. Example, we want the remarks needs improvement if marks in math are less than 40 or marks in science are less than 40. Here we can select first the if function. After that we can select the OR function. In the bracket we can select first the math subject less than 40 and comma the science subject is less than 40. Even if only one subject condition is true, Excel will display needs improvement, otherwise it's show blank. You can see where the condition is fulfilled, Excel show needs improvement. We highlighted needs improvement in blue color for better understand. Sometimes we need to use AND plus OR together. Example, we want the remark special attention if the student's average is less than 50 and the student fails in math or science. This means the student must have an average below 50 and fail in either math or science to got this remark. You can see Excel show those columns as special attention. Those who are failed to score in math or science or total in 50. Now let's create a condition where we use if and or all in the same formula. Suppose we want the remark borderline case if average is between 40 and 50 and either the student fail in any subject or the total marks are less than 250. First we take if function and then AND function. In bracket average is greater than is equal to 40, comma average less than is equal to 50. After that take OR function, then mean function, then put all the 5 subjects together less than 40 and also total less than 250. Close the bracket and write if this function is true, borderline case either false. This is if plus AND plus OR in one formula for an advanced condition. How it's work? Average must be between 40 to 50. OR condition checks if the student has a failed subject or a total below 250. If shows borderline case if all conditions are satisfied. This formula uses if plus AND plus OR together for a smart and flexible condition. We can also use all in one function, like where we can calculate who is excellent, who needs improvement, who needs special attention, and who is the borderline case. We can combine all the logic into one single if formula to automatically classify students as excellent, need improvement, special attention, or borderline case. Here I am already prepared this. You can try at your home. You can see here Excel show all in one column, like who are excellent, who needs improvement, who are the borderline case in one column. This way one formula directly shows the remark category for each student. So friends, we learned how to use ifs, and, or, and how to combine them for all in advanced logic. These formulas are very powerful when working with large dataset like our students' marksheet. In the next video, we will explore more functions that make Excel smarter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tutology. See you in the next video.